Hi, my name is Rachel. Today I attended the Brainstems Innovative Workshop, Design Thinking Workshop, and today we prototyped a prototype, as you can see, which was basically for the elderly, and like if they're like disadvantaged, what would we give them? And along this process of the prototyping, we designed a persona of the person that we wanted to create the product for. We thought of ideas that the adversities that they struggled in their life, how we can solve these adversities that they face, the prototype with the solving of their adversities, and tested and discussed our prototype and what we could do for them to make their life easier. And my group made a watch for our persona named Betty, not Betty, Mary. She is 75 years old and she recently suffered from having a stroke. So if you're having a stroke, you're more likely to have one in the future. So basically this watch basically says like, how are you feeling, asking her questions like that, checking in on her so that she like feels okay and doesn't have a stroke in the near future. And if you're watching this, I really do recommend you to come along for the next workshop. It's really fun, I learn a lot, and hopefully you do too.